Hello, I'm going to show you how to set your own icon on your BLL editor. And in my case, this is my original. If we start this application, we see this is the original BLL project that I have. So you can see that this is the application icon, and then we have this SYStray application icon. And what I want to do is that I have a text editor. We start this one. This is my text editor where I write my text. And what I want to do is I want to change this icon to my text icon, and I want to change the application icon so you can change your original application icon, or if you want to have a standalone text editor, you can change to your own icon yourself. So what we need to do is that if we go here, we take this edit. We can take any when any of this to run application, and we can see to make a standalone application you need to press F7, build BLL release. But to set the icon that we want for our application, we need to go to Ctrl-Alt-B to our config file, and here we can see under what is it? We have this build project. Your config file is probably much more clean than this, but what I want to do is I want to set this text icon to our application. So if we go here to image, we can see here is the text icon. So this is the one, and I go back by Ctrl-Alt-B, and I press F7 to build this BLL release with this icon. And he take if you have the full version of BLL, under the bin folder you have BLL that is a non-compressed version of BLL. We can see here it's 13,000 kilobyte, so it's 13 megabyte this file. And if we go here and we see that this is the console version, and this is almost 4 megabyte, and we can see the original EDI is almost 4 megabytes. So we see that the uncompressed version we have here, it doesn't have a icon and it's not compressed. And when it is not compressed and we build up a project by pressing F7, he's going to make a folder with all the file that we need for making a standalone application. And here he is putting together, and he is now compressing our application with our new file. And we can see here in my previous testing, I use another icon for this, and you need to if you make a new icon and you want to have it on the same location, the Windows going to read this icon once. So if you want to update this to the new icon, you need to restart your computer. But to see if this is a valid icon, you can actually move it to another directory to see if it's the icon that we put there, our text icon. And we see here is almost complete, and here it is. And if I drag it, we can see it is our flash icon. And if we go here, we can see it have this new icon text, and I want to change this to text because this I name to text. And then we go go to, so this is our original, and we need to find and then I used paste the file. So now we have the file here, and I can close this one by, and we can close this one, and we see here is our new text editor, and we can see it's starting here. It have the old icon, but if I pin this icon, it is updating the icon because we pin it, and then I remove my old one, unpin. So before I use this, I make a, what's happening was that I make a update in saving the file, and then it's like when I try to make my text editor to update, I couldn't change the icon. So there is the reason why I make this information how to change the icon. So we see this is the one, but we see that we still have this icon here. So if I go, this is the text editor, and if I go data and go to message of the day and go in here, I change this icon, BLL icon, to text, and I save it, and then I quit this, and when I start this one, we can see that our text editor have now the application icon and the application down here. So that is how you change from your original icon, you see the application, to a new icon and new SYStray icon. Thank you for watching, and bye.